I'm going to teach you how to freeze a column in Airtable. Freezing columns is a simple way to keep your most important fields visible while you scroll, so you can compare data without losing context. Think of it like pinning the leftmost columns in a spreadsheet so they always stay in view. Start by heading to Airtable in your browser. If you can, use the desktop site for the clearest view of the options we'll use today. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. You'll need edit access to the base, or at least the ability to modify view settings for this to work. Next, open the base and the specific table where you want to freeze columns. A base is your overall project or database, and the table is the sheet inside it that holds your records. Make sure you're in a grid-style view, since freezing fields is most commonly adjusted there. Now, look for the View Options menu. You'll find this near the top of the screen, close to the view name. Clicking it opens a panel that controls how your records are displayed, including sorting, filtering, grouping, and layout settings. This is where the freeze control lives. In the View Options panel, locate the Freeze Field setting. Depending on your interface, it may appear as Freeze Fields or Freeze Columns. If you don't see it right away, scroll within the panel or check the Layout or Display section. This setting lets you lock the first set of columns on the left so they remain visible. Choose how many columns you want to freeze. Typically, you'll freeze the primary field plus one or two key identifiers, such as status or owner. Select the number that matches how many leftmost columns you want pinned. Airtable updates the view as you adjust this, but if you see an Apply or Done button, go ahead and confirm the change to save it. Finally, scroll horizontally across your table to confirm the frozen columns stay in place. The frozen area should remain fixed on the left, while the rest of your fields move, making it easy to track each record as you browse. A few quick tips to wrap up. Freezing fields is saved with the current view, so it won't affect other views unless you set it there too. If you're working in a shared view, anyone using that view will see the frozen setup. If you change your mind later, return to the same View Options area and adjust the number back down. And if you're on a trackpad or mouse, use horizontal scroll or Shift+ scroll to test the freeze